Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. So this is video number 2 of the go-kart I picked up. It's actually funny. I sold it not half an hour after I went and picked it up from the person I bought it from. I actually sold it and I got part trade. I got a mini bike as part trade. So the next video is going to be of a little mini bike project. But I'm just going to show you, I just flushed out the carburetor. It was full of stinky rotten gas. I just want to show you this baby running. Little Honda motor. So on, switch there, choke there, turn the choke off. Oop. There she goes. Unfortunately, my butt is a little too big to fit in that seat, so we're gonna have to find ourselves someone to take this thing for a test ride, and I'll try to make a video of it burning around the neighborhood shortly. Thanks for watching.